Embarkation day on the Royal Caribbean Cruise. Exciting, a little chaotic, and the moment that your Caribbean cruise adventures truly begins. But how smooth is the check-in process? What should families know before boarding? We're taking you through the entire process, sharing tips, and showing you what exactly to expect before you set sail.
So we just arrived here at the port of Royal Caribbean and we're just passing through security right now.
Skylar, are you ready? You got everything? Yeah! Yay! That was pretty funny. As we passed by check-in, they found that Skylar's age in the system was 102 for this little one. So we had to correct that a little bit before moving on.
Second cruise for Skylar. Second official because the first one when she was inside my belly.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And then she went to Seattle cruise and this is the third one. How's the number 3? Is that 3?
So we're just making up our way to the gangway of the ship. And I must say, over all of the cruises that we've made so far, I feel like this has been the smoothest and the quickest. Do you think?
Yeah, this is the fastest one.
So just like any other cruise, we must go to the muster station first. So ours is D23, so we just got checked in right there.
Inside the fine dining area, which looks really good. There's like 3 floors. Yeah, can't wait to eat dinner there.
Yeah, we're probably gonna be dining there some of these days. Is it this way? This way. Sky, do you know where we're staying?
Yes.
Which one? Yeah, the last room on the left. Sky, you wanna open it?
Skylar, here's your room key. Okay, I'll help you. Hold it. Inside. Inside. Wow.
Wow!
Is this your room?
Nice room, Sky. Not bad.
So big.
Yeah.
Nice and spacious. So we finally found a room after navigating for quite a while because we booked an interior room and it's like in the middle of the ship. But thankfully, there are maps around the ship so we didn't have a hard time looking for our room. So before anything else, we're going to give you guys a room tour. So our room is an interior room, so it doesn't have any windows. But you can see it's very spacious. There's like a king-size bed over here that can fit the 3 of us.
And this one, as any other cruise ship, you could also convert these one from a king bed to a 2 twin beds or 4 twin beds, I think depending on your room, right?
Yeah.
But this room that we booked occupies 4, so I think it's convertible.
So we have a small entertainment area over here and a sofa. I think it's perfect size for Skylar's play area. Like she's doing right now, she's doing some activities on her own. So we have a small TV over here and a mini fridge inside here.
Yeah, and what I noticed about this room is they actually have dividers. So you can have a little bit of privacy if you needed to separate the bed from the living space.
Bye! Peekaboo! Skylar's turn. Here, in the middle. Ready?
The baby's gone? What is this? What's this? And as of the aesthetics of the room, I feel like To be honest, it feels like the original aesthetics when the ship was made because it's a little bit dated and we can see a few things inside the room that they could probably improve. But they still did a great strategy with the mirrors to make the room look more spacious.
And if you turn around over here... Oh no, they saw you! And if you turn around over here, you'll notice that there's a lot of storage areas. Lots of drawers as well. What's this? Whose shoes is that?
Baby.
Did you put that in there? And if we walk down here, this is our closet with lots of hangers and lots of storage, which we converted it into a pantry and stored some of Skylar's milk. And on the corner over here is the washroom. You can see a stand-up shower and a toilet.
Yeah, as long as this place is pretty clean, I'm pretty happy. And it looked like it is, and they even added some more towels for us.
So I think this is the only thing that Skylar packed in this entire trip. Her bluey pillow.
Yeah, she can't live without this one. She can't sleep without this one.
It's not even a pillow, it's just a pillowcase. Because for her, this is already a pillow.
Yeah? Oh, you wanna put your pillow there?
Where are we going to put your pillow, baby? Skylar!
If there's one thing that we did realize just right now, and a bit of a reality from all of the vlogs that we've been making, in this room, maybe the idea of having a window or a balcony isn't such a bad idea. Especially when you have a baby. Because, you know, the smell sometimes does get cramped in here, so we gotta open up the doors just to let out some air.
Birthday cake.
Birthday cake?
Birthday cake.
Excuse me. Some of us need to vlog here. So just like the last cruise that we had with Princess Cruises, we booked an interior room here in Royal Caribbean Cruise as well because we felt like the experience before was somewhat okay and we didn't have to pay a lot for the experience. Since we're going to the Caribbean for this cruise, we're going to be spending a lot of time outside of the room anyway. There are some pros and cons, like give and take. For example, having a window or a door would be nice with a baby inside. If you're going to be outside the room most of the time, then it's likely okay. I am going to be, excuse me. I am going to be sharing in the description down below the total cost that we paid to book this room, just so you guys have a reference if you guys wanted to do the same. And also, this little nugget right here is sailing for free since Royal Caribbean, some of their cruises, kids sail free, so you only have to pay for taxes. And I guess just an additional information for you guys for the embarkation process, I would just make sure that you have your necessities for traveling, like for example your passports, maybe some printed out documents of your reservation. But all in all, the entire process of checking in, we did everything through the app. They guide you through the check-in process, all of the information that you need, and also providing you with the bag tags that you are going to be attaching to your luggages, and that will magically show up in your room as you embark on the ship. So you can just casually embark the ship, look for your muster station, and do whatever you like as you come aboard. One thing I did want to note is we were given a time schedule on when we are going to be arriving at the port, but since we got here a little bit earlier, we were kind of worried that maybe they won't let us in. We got here about an hour earlier than our actual check-in time. But yeah, it was pretty seamless. They didn't really ask for anything on what time we should be checking in, and we got aboard the ship pretty early as well.
Hey, Dad.
Okay, fine. You do the vlogging. I'll just be in the background.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Okay, I think we need to stop this session because we're gonna spend the whole day here in the camera. Oh my god! Rather than actually exploring the ship. We'll see you out there. And just like that, we are off to the Caribbean. What are you looking forward to this cruise?
to be more relaxed.
Eat a lot of food.
Eat a lot of food.
And enjoy time with the family and Skylar.
Create more memories.
So if you guys haven't noticed, my family is also joining us for this cruise, and it's going to be a lot of fun having all of this experience with them.
And I think some of them, it's their first time of cruisers, so it's pretty exciting to just show them the world of cruising.
So this is a 5-day cruise, and we are so excited to show you guys around the ship, the ports, and everything to do with liberty of the seas.
But for now, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye!